How to set dark mode on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set dark mode on Word Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Word and then click here, and now click this one, settings, and go down and you will find this one here. All you need to do is just click this one, dark mode, restart app to apply the new theme. Just click got it and go back. You need to restart the application and it will be done. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.